Chessington. Excuse the shaky hand. And we're at Chessington. Let's go check in. Okay, so we've just walked in the room and on the left is the bathroom. So, gosh, look a bit warm. We've just been at Thorpe Park for the day. So you got a tall shower here, no bath, but no problem. Shower, toilet, and then you've got some nice sea spray, shower gel and everything, which is really great. And then you come out here and there's plenty of hanging space for each person. There's 4 cups because this room is a family room. Ironing board as well. And then you turn around and go into the main part of the room. And so you've got a tall mirror here. The news was on when we came in. I've got a little fridge here to put anything in that you want. A bed here as well. I think actually I ended up asking, the single bed option was cheaper than a double bed, but actually the single beds are together anyway, so that's no problem, it didn't bother us. Then over here you've got a cool bunk bed, if there was obviously more people staying here, an adjoining door as well. And then you come out here, and we didn't pay for a view or anything, but we've actually got a view of the safari, really. I don't know if you can see in the distance there. I haven't got my glasses on. Hopefully this is zooming okay. We can actually see some of the animals. So we've got those there. And then over here we've got, not my favourite thing, but what are they, ostriches? So this is amazing. We thought we were going to have a view of a car park, so to have this is great. And I'll just do another shot of the room from this angle. So let me just zoom out. You've got some nice chairs here as well for you to chill. And those wristbands are actually to allow us to get into the park 1 hour early because we're staying at the hotel. And yeah, so here's the room for you again. Really great, and space to put your luggage as well. It looks really nice, really spacious actually. I think this is more spacious than any of the other hotels we stayed at with Merlin. The room's really big, so yeah, we're really happy. There is a zebra right outside of our hotel room. This is literally out the front. Probably not many animals out here now, but there's zebras, giraffes, lots of ducks out here. And this is what we can see from the room. Oh, the buffalo is still going strong on there. Is it buffalo? No. These.
Cattle.
Cattle. They're going, oh my gosh, the ostriches there as well. They're still living life. What's that? Look at them. I'm trying to go up there now if it's open. Let's have a look. I've been told, look, it's your friend. I'm terrified of birds. No, thank you. This is just the hotel behind, and there's a path too. Ooh. Can't really see through the fence. Oh, you're doing it. Zebras have gone back into bed, although I'm getting stared down by one. Oh, lovely. These really scare me. Someone has got better eyesight than me. There's a giraffe through there.
Oh, here they come. Here they
They're
come.
coming out.
Here they come.
The giraffes are coming out. That's okay. The giraffes have just come out.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Yeah, that picked you up.
Yeah, when I fed the giraffes in New Zealand. These giraffes here, and then literally you've got all of this in the hotel. Look at them, there's 3 now.
is not even that tall.
It's night time now, but it's coming up lighter in here, but the zebras are back out eating. I'll have to try and look out in the morning and see. The giraffes still at the top. I think they are. Let's have a look. You might look.
Yeah,
there they are. Yeah. So we've just woken up after our night in the room, and I just wanted to show you the zebras that are out this morning. There was also some giraffes a lot earlier this morning. I got a photo on my phone, but I just wanted to point out, you can see here, we walked all down this path and around here yesterday. If I zoom out you'll be able to see. We did that last night. This section here, there we go, closed at 8:15 at night, and it was still light, and we actually got to see some giraffes, and there was only us two there for the majority of it. We got to see the giraffes, which was really nice, up and close at the back. If I haven't already, I'll insert the footage here so you can see the walk that we did and where we went and what animals we saw. But we're going to go into, well, we're going to go have breakfast now, and then we're going to go into the park for the day.